The rule of thumb for oil changes, you can just throw that right out the window. Your manufacturers have no idea what it takes to properly maintenance your vehicle, and not every vehicle is the same. They don't even know when to do a GDI service on these vehicles today. All they do is wait for you to show up to say, my car is running bad, the check engine light's on, is it under warranty? And why is it under warranty, and how much is it going to cost? And no oil on the stick, air filter's dirty, throttle body's dirty, PCV system hasn't been changed, spark plugs are fouled out, intake valves require inspection, pull the intake manifold, the valves are packed with carbon behind there. Recipe for disaster. They don't even know how to maintain your car properly. They don't even want to test the vehicles that they produce and put out for sale. Crazy. It is bad news. You're going to see a whole world of change come for manufacturers when it comes to oil change intervals and the required proper maintenance. Not suggested proper maintenance, required proper maintenance of the engine designs today. That's facts. Listen around to the vibration on the internet with the Oil Geek, me, Ford Boss Me, Ford Master Tech. We give it to you straight. We're in the trenches. We're in the bays. The up above say it's good. In the trenches, we're saying it's bad, and they're lying to you. Even know what? These aren't even my oil filters. These are pretty much the ones we just take off customers' car. Do you know that the filters that they put on most of these cars today have minimum micron in there, and they aren't enough micron in the filters to even filter out the smallest particles? Average oil filter is about a 30 micron or a little less, and then you really need to figure out what oil filter works best for what stages of the health of your engine. That is crazy. I run 2 oil filters on my race engine on purpose. So even if you did do your oil changes every 3,000 miles, if your engine is leaving micro particles behind and your filter can't catch them because the micron is too large, and look this up, people, this is no joke. Your oil filter has a lot to do with the way that it filters out the particles that are going through your engine. So a 30 micron is about industry standard, provided you don't have particles smaller than that going through your engine. How about that? A little information there for you. A good quality oil filter, and you need to look that up to see what the micron is. And good quality oil, and being in the bays, getting your oil changed more frequently. If you're not worried about this, you're probably one driving around with oil consumption and internal engine damage. But for the guys that are on top of their oil changes and say, hey, I've been doing my oil changes and I want a healthier engine, what more can I do? Stick to the 3,000 mile oil change rule, do the maintenance, don't listen to the dealership, take your owner's manual, tear those pages out and throw them in the trash. Your technician at the dealership, slap him in the face and say, I'm not listening to you. I have more people on YouTube messaging me saying, I go to the dealership for an early oil change and the dealerships argue with me. The dealership technicians argue with them. Some are free, some are not. That they don't want them changing the oil under 10,000 miles. You know why? Because they know. They know there's a paycheck coming for them in the future or a sale for the dealership. So listen to the guys like us. Thanks for watching.